Benefits of rosemary. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Helps neutralize harmful free radicals. 2. Anti-inflammatory. May help reduce inflammation in the body. 3. Boosts immunity. Strengthens the body's defense system. 4. Improves digestion. Traditionally used to treat indigestion. 5. Enhances memory. Can improve concentration and performance. 6. Neurological protection. May be beneficial for stroke recovery. 7. Rich in iron. Contributes to healthy blood cells. 8. High in calcium. Supports bone health. 9. Contains vitamin B6. Important for brain development and function. 10. Improves circulation. Antioxidants help improve blood flow. 11. Mood enhancer. The aroma can have a positive effect on mood. 12. Hair health. Used in many natural hair care products. 13. Skin health. Used in skincare for its antiseptic properties. 14. Pain relief. Used in folk medicine as a pain reliever. 15. Respiratory health. Used in aromatherapy for respiratory issues. 16. Liver detoxification. May help stimulate bile flow for detoxification. 17. Antibacterial. Can help fight bacterial infections. 18. Antifungal. Can help combat fungal infections. 19. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest potential anti-cancer properties. 20. Stress relief. Used in aromatherapy for its calming effects.